हेलो पिला माने आपण मैंने केमिति अछंती आशा करछि आपण मैंने भलो थिबे। तो चलो आज आम 7th क्लास इंग्लिश बुक आई वुड लाइक टू बी र पर पोएम व्हेन आई ग्रो अप र क्वेश्चन आंसर करवा। पिला माने क्वेश्चन आंसर करिया पूर्व मु तुमको कवि विषय किछि कहूछि। कवि एही कवितारे विभिन्न स्टांजारे विभिन्न जिनस बड़ हेले हेबे बोली कहिसेंती। जेमति कि से बड़ हेले गोटे सोल्जर हेबे, से बड़ हेले गोटे स्पेसशिप चलेकी मून को जिबे ओ बड़ हेले गोटे जू कीपर हेबे नंदनकानन। तो चलो पिला माने क्वेश्चन आंसर स्टार्ट करिबा। देखिया फास्ट क्वेश्चन हमर कोन अछि। हु इज आई इन द पोएम? द पोएट इन द गेज ऑफ चाइल्ड रेफर एज आई इन द पोएम। What does the child want to find in the first stanza? The child want to be a detective माने police officer in the first stanza. In the second stanza, the child likes to three type of work. What are they? The child likes to work as a soldier, as a sailor, and thirdly as a keeper of the Nandankandan Zoo as stated in stanza 2. In which stanza does the poet describe a child's interest for music? In the third stanza, the poet describes the child's interest for music. How does he want to fly to the moon? He intends to fly to the moon by a spaceship. What does the child wants to be in stanza 4? The child wants to be the driver of an express diesel train or a lighthouse keeper in stanza 4. Is the last stanza different from the other stanza? How? Yes, the last stanza is different from the other four stanza. Each one of the four stanza describe about the child's desire, whereas in the last stanza the real aim of a human life is described. The poet wants to take up different type of work. Which line tell you so? The lines, I think I will be all these things and go on taking turns, in stanza 5 tell us that the poet in guess of the child wants to take up different type of work. Does he want to take up only one job he describe or all the jobs one after another? He wants to take off all the jobs one after another as he goes on taking turns. Which word phrase tells so in the last stanza? The phrase and go on taking turns says so. Why does he want to take off all the jobs one after another? Human interests climb up and up as one grow up, so he want to take off all the job one after another. In which stanza does he want to take off minimum number of jobs? In first stanza he want to take off minimum number of jobs. In which stanza does he want to take off maximum number of jobs? In the last stanza he want to take up maximum number of jobs. Section 2. Driver, one who drive a car, bus, truck is a driver. Football player, one who plays football is a football player. Cricketer, one who play cricket is a cricketer. Doctor, treat patient, one who treat patient is a doctor. Teacher, one who teaches student is a teacher. Zookeeper, one who keep take care of animal is a zookeeper. Sailor, sail ship, one who sells sheep in the sea river is a seller. Farmer, one who does farm work, cultivates in a farm is farmer. Tennis player, one who play tennis is a tennis player. Pilot, one who fly an aeroplane is the sky is a pilot. Section 4. Read, learn. The more one read, the more one learn. The second, save, become rich. The more one save money, wealth, the more one become rich. Third, do exercise, become healthy. The more one does exercise, the more one become healthy. IV number, get, want. The more one get, the more he wants. What does the child poet want to become in the third stanza? The poet wants to become a musician or an astronaut in third stanza. Where does he want to be a keeper? He wants to be a keeper in Nandankanan Zoo or in a tiger house. Where does he want to fly with the spaceship? He wants to fly with the spaceship to the moon. IV, where does he want to take up many jobs? He grow up and his interest grow up at par माने समतल to fulfill his multi interest. He want to take many of job. तापर सेक्शन 5 रो बी नंबर को जीवा. बी नंबर बेसी किछि देइनी अवश्य तादे खाली देइछि तुमे माने तम क्लास रो 5-6 जन सहित इंटरव्यू करिवो. इंटरव्यू माने ताको किछि पचारिबो जेमति कि देइछि गुड मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू, व्हाट इज योर नेम, प्लीज, हाउ डू यू वांट टू बिकम इन फ्यूचर, थैंक यू, बाय. बस एति पचारिबो तार आंसर नबो तापर तुमको बाय कहइबो. जेमती तल एमती बहुत सारा ऑप्शन देइछि. तापर तले गोटे डैशबोर्ड देइछि. देख मु खाली तुम आंसर कहि देउछि तुम लिखिदेव. फास्ट देख डैश देइछि मो आई इंटरव्यू 5 पर्सन माने मु 5 जनकर इंटरव्यू नेली. वन ऑफ द देम वांट टू बिकम एन इंजीनियर. एटी जहा देइछि सेगुला किछि लेखनी तुम तुम देख एटा किछि दरकार नै अवश्य. तथापि तुम मनु किछि लिखिदेले भी चलिबो. इंजीनियर जगह तुम डॉक्टर लिखिबो कि आउ जा भी लिखिले चलिबो. डॉक्टर सेकेंड रे देइछि तुम डॉक्टर जगह इंजीनियर भी लिखि पारिबो. एटा बेसी किछि दरकार नै. ता परटा जिबा देखिबा हमें कोन अछि. पिला माने सी नंबरटा देखिबा. मु सी नंबर आंसरटा लिखि देइछि. तुमे माने वीडियो पॉज करिकि लिखि दियो.